Penny pincher. Someone very careful about spending money. My dad's a real penny pincher when it comes to shopping. Being a penny pincher helped him save for a house. Pack rat. A person who keeps unnecessary things. My grandma is a pack rat with her old magazines. You need to declutter, you're turning into a pack rat. Homebody. A person who likes staying at home more than going out. After work, he's a homebody who prefers relaxing on the couch. During vacations, I'm a homebody. I just love staying home and resting. Copycat. Someone who copies others. My little brother is such a copycat. Nobody likes a copycat who steals ideas. Techie. Someone interested in technology. He's a techie who always has the latest gadgets. My friend, a techie, fixed my computer in 5 minutes. Tree hugger. A person who cares deeply about the environment. She's a proud tree hugger fighting for climate change. My neighbor is a total tree hugger, even growing her own vegetables. Wordsmith. A person skilled at using words. As a wordsmith, he crafts the most beautiful poems. She's a wordsmith who can turn any sentence into magic. Shutterbug. Someone who loves taking photographs. I'm a shutterbug when it comes to sunsets. That shutterbug never goes anywhere without her camera. Beach bum. Someone who loves spending time at the beach. He became a beach bum after moving to Hawaii. Being a beach bum sounds like the perfect life. Cheapskate. A person who hates spending money. My uncle's a cheapskate, he reuses tea bags. Don't be such a cheapskate, just buy a new jacket. Peacemaker. A person who helps stop arguments. She's always the peacemaker when her friends fight. Being a peacemaker isn't easy when tensions are high. Frenemy. A person who pretends to be a friend but is actually an enemy. She realized her coworker was actually a frenemy. Dealing with a frenemy can be tricky. Newbie. A beginner who is inexperienced or new to a particular activity or skill. I'm still a newbie at playing guitar. The newbies got a tour of the office today. Old soul. A young person who acts older and wiser. She's only 18, but she's such an old soul. I always felt like an old soul even as a kid. Butterfingers. A clumsy person who drops things easily. I'm such a butterfingers with my phone. Butterfingers like me shouldn't carry anything valuable. Speed demon. Someone who drives very fast. He's a real speed demon on the highway. Speed demons like him scare me. Energizer bunny. A very energetic person. She's like an Energizer bunny, never getting tired. We call our coach the Energizer bunny. Party animal. Someone who loves parties. He's a party animal every Friday night. I'm too tired to be a party animal these days. Social butterfly. A person who loves being around people. She's such a social butterfly at every party. I'm more of an introvert, not a social butterfly. Early bird. Someone who wakes up early. Being an early bird, he loves morning walks. I'm not an early bird, mornings are tough for me.